Carla and welcome at my vlog. Today I'm at the English class and I'm gonna show you how do I make a volcano eruption. As you can see,
this is a homemade.
This is a homemade volcano. This is the cone. This is the cone. This is the crater. This is the side vent, and this is the central vent. In the bottom of the volcano, you can find the magma chamber. Did you know what is the difference between magma and lava? Magma is the melted rock which is inside the volcano, and lava is the melted rock which is outside the volcano. The ingredients which we use for the eruption are some baking soda, food coloring, and some vinegar. This is the combination of some food coloring and vinegar. Now I will put the baking soda. Then I will put the combination. Are you ready for the eruption?